What's up guys, welcome back to Static Works. Today we're on our way, or about to be on our way, to Big Brand because we're finally putting tires on the Miata. So Stephanie's pretty excited about that. She's inside right now, she's gonna come out in a little bit. But we can't wait to pick them up because we're finally gonna be installing them, and we're gonna be finally fixing that squeak from her Speedo because it drives us insane. And now that we have all the parts, this car is finally gonna come together, especially with the lip that we have sitting down. And honestly, we could probably paint that red just to even match the car for now. So we'll see how much we get to today. Our main priority is installing those wheels, trying to fix the fitment, and we'll just see how far we get. So let's head to Big Brand. I'm Static Martin. I'm Static Martin. I don't have a fucking mirror. Chill, bro. What's up, Stephanie?
I have to drive with my finger like this.
You want me to drive?
It's okay.
You can barely hear it. You can barely hear the squeak. Oh, there you go.
You can hear it more when I go faster, but...
Are you excited?
I'm freaking excited. It's been like 2 months since I bought the wheels. So you can imagine my freaking patience I had.
We can't see Martin. Martin's supposed to be behind us. And if it is windy, I apologize. We have the top down race curve.
I was flooring it too.
Yeah. Hey pal, how much for one of those?
More than you could afford, pal.
Smoke them. Yeah. Slow ass full. Come on, dog. Fuck, are you boosted?
That boosted life though.
Oh, you only have one gauge, and that's for your pussy ass oil pressure. You know why?
Because they go bad.
Because you don't know how to drive. Hey, I wanted that. Honestly, I wanted that GTI that passed us to turn so you could gap him. Tell me not. You're waiting for that shit.
Yeah, I was like behind them and then not.
I'm starting eating. Honestly, I just like have to record you so I can input your Instagram. Have like a little clip with you. They're right there. They're right there. Achilles ATR Sports, bro. Hook up.
Way more meaty than that over there.
Oh, you guys got on white. I didn't even notice that.
It's so dope. It looks so good. Thank you.
Make sure that you guys put them on the right side because they're directional tires.
Okay, yeah, that's good. The treading's fucking sick too. They have a lot of life. A lot of life. What do you think? Baller, huh? Baller with the Achilles.
Ready, speed? So light. Oh shit. So light, dude.
Oh fuck. Dude, they look nice though, not even gonna lie. Like, they're not too bulky. They're gonna look fucking sick on it. Yeah.
You might have to take like 1 or 2 in yours.
It's fine.
Guys, I got my wheels.
Oh, burning out the clutch.
Dude.
Burning out the clutch. Talk about fucking guy who hasn't driven stick in 2 minutes.
So we put 3 of the wheels in Martin's G, and then they all couldn't fit in there, so we put
That's sick, honestly.
the 4th one.
Just
right
keep it
here.
like that.
I'm hoping like it doesn't come out somehow.
We finally made it back to the house. Luckily the wheel didn't fly off. But you start to realize how fucking small this thing is, because I haven't seen it in a while and haven't even been by it in a while. But
Look at the leg room. Hold on, let me go all the way back. Okay, I'm out. Look at. I never saw this. Look, it has a fucking pressure gauge right there.
oil pressure?
Oil pressure.
Yeah, and your
And then the
fucking
G can't even get one? Listen, Infinity, you son of a bitch.
Wait, man.
I didn't even know I had one.
My Beamer didn't even come with one.
Yeah, but still. It doesn't have
Beamers,
those...
bro, we always get oil pressure. We just get oil leaks.
Yeah. Either way, you're fucked.
I was thinking we should start with the fronts.
That's gonna be the hardest one.
Yeah,
to
just
fit.
because we're gonna have to. Yeah, the rears stick out a little bit, but
Hold on.
it's higher.
Let me stare at this guy for a second. Where do you work?
Our jacks are together. We don't have to sit here and put them together.
You're hurt.
We have lifts and we have fucking.
Hey, bro. Hey. Yeah, but who knows how to put on tires? Dab me up on that. Why are you mad? Bro, I'm respecting you. I do have new lug nuts on my car, so she gets to choose from these Muteki lug nuts, which are steel, so they're pretty strong, or the PBM lug nuts. So she chose these. What the bro?
Stop.
Bro.
Fuck it. Oh. Tell me I won't.
You guys suck at putting. I know. I remember Stephanie had trouble putting these on too. No, you're good. You're good on those. Right there. Boom.
See the new.
Oh god.
Are they hub-centric?
Oh, there you go. I was like, oh god.
See the new lug?
Shake it, shake it. Yeah, that's my question.
I don't know what you're saying in English, dude.
Are they hub-centric? You need a hub-centric.
Oh no, wait. Let's take off this hubcap. I forgot.
You don't want to
I forgot. Yeah, these hubcaps are probably the ugliest hubcaps I've ever seen in my life.
Remember the ones that came with my car?
Avid ones. Yeah, they're all ugly though.
It's like a straight up.
Anything that divs out like that is ugly. It is gonna be monster trucking a little bit. You have to spam it. Yeah. It does look like Mexi Flush, but hopefully with the camber,
There you go.
it'll camber in just very little. What do you think?
I just like the pop-up lights out of the car, that's about it.
Master Tech over here.
So do you guys
Best way to
rub?
tighten things in the
You
air.
guys think it's gonna
I think so.
rub? Might rub.
Maybe. It depends how low it was, because with these it was slammed to the floor.
I know. That's what's weird.
So let's see. All right, drop it. And then we'll tighten it more once we get it down. We just need to get that little tug.
Slowly.
All right, now drop that one, because that side's lifted.
Really? Wow.
Oh shit.
Okay, never mind.
Oh. Yeah. That's
Oh yeah, boy.
Talk about that fitment. Definitely have to lift it a little bit.
Damn.
But look at that fitment. That's perfect. That's like really fucking nice. You're gonna be here all fucking day figuring this shit out.
The best way to do is just to roll it instead of lifting it.
Yeah. Why?
The height is good, but
yeah.
It looks really good though. No, it does look really nice.
you can use a bat, Mexican style,
A bat.
Yeah. No, we can use that.
or this.
We can
You
use
get a
that to
rag?
roll it.
And you just start rolling it slowly.
Yeah. We're probably gonna be doing the ghettoest fender roll job. It depends if you want to do that. It might crack the paint, but then we're gonna paint it regardless.
So it could either you get fixed while it's getting painted anyway.
Yeah, so it's up to you. It doesn't look too bad. It honestly looks like every other Miata. If you think about it, just the way the fitment is, just because everyone goes 15 by 8s. So what we should do is honestly just focus about the fronts. The rears probably will hit.
So we have to raise it about an inch in the front.
Yeah, the rears we're gonna have to probably go for a drive and see how they are, but we're gonna have to figure out how to roll it. We can try doing it the method that everyone does it. Here, let me see. Keep doing it.
That ain't gonna hit.
No, I doubt it's gonna hit. It comes close
And
though.
I'm doing a lot of weight too. It's all my weight. A little education. I found this online. Maybe wrong, but I found it pretty accurate when I did it. Whenever you're raising the coilovers, let's say you want to raise it a full inch. In theory, you want to go ½ inch on the actual coilover. That should bring it up to 1 inch raise or drop.
You're confusing people already, Martin.
No, you go either way.
Who told you this? The forum boys?
Yeah.
Even.
So ½ inch up or down on the actual coilover should be an inch when you actually drop it or raise it. That makes sense. That makes sense to you guys?
Tips from Static Martin.
So there's a good size difference in between. So it should be about 6.5 by like 8, the difference.
Yeah, there's a big difference.
And they're both 15s?
That one's 14, I think.
The 14 and 15?
Yeah.
These ones are 60 sidewall?
Yeah.
60 versus
60.
50 sidewall, 185 by 195.
Yep.
That's respect.
Yep.
So it is kind of a big difference. Hopefully it rides good.
That's not rod knock? It looks really nice. Oof. Definitely need to wipe it down though. Oh, keep going, keep going. So many rubs. Definitely gonna have to fix that soon. Now that the car's back in, we are going to be installing the speedo cable, which is the reason why it's making a noise. I don't know what it is. We're gonna have to see once we take it off, like what actual part of the cable is causing that. But we're just gonna jack it up on all fours and put it on jack stands then we could go under the car, because Stephanie said it is going to be by the transmission and it's probably going to go up to the dash. So that's something that we're going to have to check out. Under the car, you can see that is the speedo cable, and from the looks of it, it looks like it hooks up to the transmission.
Yeah,
so there's two clips right there where she's pointing, and then what's right here? I cannot see.
You can't see?
No.
It's just the thing that's hooked on to the...
Right.
Anyways.
What is it? How do you remove it?
How?
Yeah.
I'd recommend like some pliers.
Oh, so it's like a clip-on type thing.
You twist it.
Ooh. So this is the speedo cable that we're talking about. All I did was actually use big vice grips to turn it left to loosen. Am I tightening it? Yeah. So to turn it left to loosen. Sorry, I'm on the other side to get confused. And it should just come out. No fluids come out or anything, right?
No.
Nothing? Okay, I get a little scared. Okay. And then you feed it through. Try not to get shit eyes. And then there you go. This is it. I don't think this is the fucked up part. It obviously is connected down there. They just pry off like that, and that's pretty much how it's gonna be all the way up. And I believe these are the only ones until it goes up to the top, and that's where we're gonna show you how to remove it from the dash area.
Okay, so there actually is one more clip sitting right behind the engine back there. So
Ah, fuck. God damn it. God damn it.
you want me to reach in there? I think I have smaller hands. And then it comes through this side, and then oh shit, this is it right here, which we already took off.
And this is right here, actually. So this bolts into that, and there's still this. There's still this much that's going into the dash.
You're just gonna have to take off the bracket piece, and mine wasn't screwed on, so I'm literally just gonna rip it off.
Yeah, it's getting stuck right here. So just try to bend it upward like that without breaking it, like I was about to. Ooh, let's see if you got Steph skills.
Oops, too late.
Damn, already broke it.
It was already cracked on this side.
Hey, nothing a Bondo can't fix.
So funny.
And then it has 4 screws connecting it, so we're just gonna undo those.
And the speedo cable is directly connected?
Yeah, there's like 3 different clips back there that we'll need to undo, but should be pretty easy.
So let me see if I can pull it while she takes off the cluster. Let's see if I can pull it off.
Why do I have to be crippled?
I don't know if this was how it originally was, or they tried lubing it, or
Yeah, I don't know.
maybe that's how they normally did it.
So now that we finally put the new one in, Daniel's just connecting everything, and then we're gonna connect the dash first, and then do all this stuff, and then run it through the bottom.
It's been about 3 hours of just fucking with the fitment after we did the speedo cable, and honestly, the headache, because
It's a lot. Well, I mean, not the speedo cable, but Fitment was a lot more challenging than I thought.
yeah, it's just because it's such a, it has a 0 offset, so it pushes it out a little bit. A lot of Miata guys run it, but it was just a bitch to do. The moment she came back and went on the ramp right here, not really the ramp, but the driveway, it bent the metal out, started cracking. So what we had to do was we had to roll it, since we didn't have anything, we had to roll it back with piping from my jack, and we just kept trying to push it out. And we're gonna end up wrapping it regardless, so it doesn't really matter what we do, but I just hate doing it just because it's not the right way to do it. So with the rears, it is gonna hit. Hopefully, you know, when she goes home, it doesn't cut up too bad. But we are gonna end up getting a fender roller just to roll it out as much as we can. It's obviously not gonna be perfect. It's really old paint, and it's most likely gonna crack. A lot more things coming, especially for the E30. The E30 is just a fucking nightmare right now. They're really dirty. Ordered coilovers already, so that's a plus. But paint and body work is next. So this is definitely a project that I'm really gonna have to take my time on. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you guys on the next one.